Morning guys, it's 6:30.
Yeah, answer.
And
Yes.
yeah, I'll be going at 7. It's quarter to 7 actually. I woke up at 6:30. So Dada here made breakfast for me. Hey Dada. So bread omelette now. See you guys in a while. GoPro, turn off. Padma homestay? Huh? Padma. Padma this. Oh, okay. Hello. Hello, petrol?
Yes.
Petrol.
Petrol.
Teal.
Acha. 1 minute.
Pa jong iba nang sa ising ay may ba don kabangan ni bor bang kista ba boleh jara ba boleh bang alit station drong highest motorable road in the world ba boleh makanum jai bagi banyak suki banyak jai ba boleh bagi wel banyak suki jai ba kana mangi biang ba cuma suki pa ki angel ba kenya dayang ahlan ti sungkin ba boleh kana bodu bio wan pai sok ban le biang siru pangon le ne chusul ba boleh Marukan jungi mak kuat junga kata aman. Umlinga. Thank you. It's all bad roads now. Geico, this is for you, yak, but yak. But there also there's so many yaks. Yaks all over the place, right? Dan brem dan karim dan elak ni. Ni. Check them up. Nampak dia ni nanti mah. Ibang, but I came from that side, from down there. See the trail right too. If you're lost, man. But I don't see anyone out here. All the way there. It's high altitude now. I'm going to Umlinga now. Good roads here now. Sir, Umlinga, sir. Umlinga.
Umlinga,
Stop,
right, right.
stop. Thank you. Gateway to Umlinga. Wow. Welcome to world's highest motorable road. So I'm now higher than Everest base camp. bro. Come on.
Thursday.
Wow. Finally, we've reached the highest motorable pass in the world, Umlinga. Hi, man.
Hello, bro. I came from Malaysia.
Oh, you came from Malaysia? I'm from Shillong, man. Okay. So you were saying that the road is good?
Tarmac, bro.
All tarmac. Finish. All done.
They told me, they said either you come Norbula
Huh.
off-road, either you go this one. But I said, Norbula, I said I'll take both. I'll come Potila, I'll go back Norbula.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let's take some
I
pictures.
came from Nurbula.
Okay, okay. So I'll go back Norbula. Let me
Okay.
do one video. Then I'll
Okay, okay, okay.
Thursday, 7th September.
Wow. I'm here. Finally.
Thursday, 7th September, 9:45 AM. That's where I am. And then Umlinga, the highest motorable road in the world. I'm very excited. Took me 2.5 hours from Hanley. Just want to reach. I've done it.
Wow.
This was the.
I'm happy.
This was the plan.
The highest pass, the highest motorable road in the world. See this, man. Fuck. Oh my god. See this the world's highest oxygen cafe and medical center. World's highest parking. World's highest oxygen cafe. Oh my god. Oh man. This is 7th of September 2023. I did it all alone, man. All the way from Shillong. Wow.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say that. All the way from Malaysia. Let me say that.
Yeah, man. I reached 9:45 AM here. Started at 7 from Hanley. And wow, this is just incredible. Guys with motorcycles, with cars, or with cycles, you should come here, man. It's like beautiful. Too beautiful, too beautiful. So I'll be on my way back. I'll go back. Thank you so much. So I'm done from here. I had tea at the world's highest cafe. And then, yeah, guys should come here because it's the world's highest motorable road in the world. I have to talk slowly because oxygen is very less. And some people are saying, Umlinga, what's there, Umlinga? Man, see these bikes. Foreigners rode these bikes. They came all the way from outside to finish this, to conquer this. And I'm from India, from Shillong. This highest pass in the world is here in India. So why can't I come here? If people from the world, riders from all over the world are coming here, so you should come. This is Umlinga, highest pass in the world. I'll see you guys. I'll be off to Pangan Lake now. Bye.
Back to one line breakdown to
Bye guys. Bye man.
Safe travels.
Yeah. from Nurbala Tok to Umlinga. Now I'm going from Umlinga to Futila, then to Hanle. So I'm going to from another route. I hope it's all fine. Don't gossip. Don't gossip. Let him drive. It's 4 kilometers to Hanle, and woo! I did it all alone. Ani gini lang kung yula. Until pull. Anyway, this is such an emotional North India tour for me. It's not about Umlinga, it's not about Khadungla, it's North India tour for me. So before I started this journey, the North India tour, I told myself that I'm gonna dedicate this tour, this journey, biking journey, all alone, solo by myself, to my father. This is in loving memory of my father, late David Girimasar. I miss him so much, and words can't express how I miss him. But yeah, I hope he's looking after me from up above there. I miss my dad so much. So such pass Kila Road, the world's most dangerous route, is done. Umlinga is done. I'm gonna tour other parts of North India. So I'm gonna go back to Hanle. It's 2:45, so I better stay here again at night. Tomorrow I'll be off to Pangong Lake. See you guys. Loma. I'm taking to the right, which goes towards Chulsul and Pangong Lake. It's 2 p.m. now. I don't know where to stay. I think I'll be heading to Chulsul. I'll see wherever I can stay before sunset. Vai Chulsul dia dah, rasta Chulsul. Thank you. Oh, hey. Chulsul tha chu phi. Lên phòng phật đáp. What's up, Chulsul? Vâng. Riêng nè. Sir, Chulsul. Sir जी.
हाँ जी.
Chulsul.
कहाँ जाना सर?
Chulsul, Chulsul.
चुलसुल. ये कहाँ?
Pangong Lake दे, Pangong Lake, Chulsul.
चुलसुल तो फिर इधर ही जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इधर तो अभी चाइना आएगा.
नहीं ये रास्ता.
हाँ. लोमा होते हुए जाओगे ना?
लोमा हम हो गया.
हाँ.
ये चाइना.
हाँ.
हाँ मैप में ये. Thank you.
कहाँ जाए सर?
मेघालय, शिलोंग.
आगे ले आओ.
हाँ. Bong le. Siap ni berat tu. Bye skating man. hope I reach Chusol on time, because the roads are like this, and this is a bullet, not an adventure bike. Mamlai sebentar, mungkin dalam stand saya. Ani kan ika loma susul route ani kebedat. Fruit mana siap sudah duk berat, duk mayak cukup baik duk tim ha. Sa susul him tak kami mabam, long ni cupang lan. Dalam stand. Tiang nak. Ngawadan marwai. Bro, which side? This side, this side. 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 This side, this river crossing?
Yang single है
Huh?
single
Only this one?
अजय
River crossing?
हाँ करते गाँव
Khali here, huh?
हाँ हाँ सामान निकाल देखना अगर गिर गया तो सामान दिख जाता
Oh, toh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ham jaga kamu. Bang, lek. Ajib yang tengah cuti. I'm wet again, my socks. This road is scary, lek. Ni. Desert highway. Okay, this is the Loma to Chulsul then to Pangan. It's a desert highway, I must say. It's beautiful, but it's scary because I'm all alone. There's sand, there's river crossing water and whatnot, man. It's so... I don't know what to say. भाई साहब चुलसुल चुलसुल ओके ना दूर 1 घंटा
नहीं आधा घंटा
रिवर क्रॉसिंग है इधर रिवर क्रॉसिंग पानी पानी क्रॉसिंग है
नहीं पानी नहीं
खत्म
लास्ट खत्म
ये सीधा ना रोड थैंक यू खाना खा लिया थैंक यू Razangla War Memorial. These are the names of the 113 soldiers who fought, 114 martyrs who fought against China in 1962. So here is the Rezang La Memorial place, and those three pillars out there are the actual place where they fought against the Chinese army. Wow. Oh man, this feels so emotional. To really be here. They made this in memories of the soldiers. Wow. Major Shaitan Singh, who led the war against the Chinese troops at Razangla. If it was not for him, then this place would have been taken by China. Whole Chusul, whole Pangon and all. These are the guns, weapons used. See? This is an Indian soldier. This is an Indian soldier. This is a Chinese soldier. This is a gun. These are the remains of the fruit tin, water bottle, containers, splinters. So Chinese, this is Razangla. Chinese came from here and another here. So that's the war. Wow. See? Our gun. See, a bullet went through this helmet. There. This is a Chinese weapon and an Indian weapon. Wow. Jai Hind. Indian soldiers, Indian army. So this is the gallery of the Indian soldiers, the pictures who died fighting the Chinese army. So everything is here. If you are here in Ladakh, please come to Razala War Memorial. You don't want to miss this, especially the explanation by our soldiers. It's beautiful. Hail to the Indian army, hail to the Indian soldiers. Jai Hind. This is a statue of Major Shaitan Singh. So I'll be off. I'll be going back. I'll stay at Chusul. Thank you so much, soldier. And that's an Indian flag high up. Thank you. See you. My parking today. I'll park here. If I can park here, then all good. I'll park it. Staying for the night here. That's a yak. So yes. So I don't want to ride anymore. Pangan is just 25 kilometers away. So I'll stay here and This is Chusul. So my dinner is ready. Very nice dinner. Bhai, ma. This is the restaurant that I'm having food. So I'll have now. Tomorrow I'll go through Pangon Lake, take some pictures and videos, then I'll go to Hunter site, Nubra Valley and all. I'll see you. Thank you.